What's really special about St. John Paul II Academy is the community and the sense of purpose that you feel when you walk on our campus. For 45 years, our school has provided a quality, holistic Catholic education. That's the education of the mind, body, and spirit. I'm filled with joy and gratitude as we prepare to build this new athletic complex that will truly enrich the lives of our students and the entire community. This is more than just a sports facility. It's a space where faith, character, and teamwork will flourish. I can't wait to see our students come together, grow stronger, and glorify God through the gifts that He's given them.
Our new athletic complex is going to be a game changer for our students and our school community. It's going to be a place of inspiration. When they get out on that field, they're going to have something to be so proud of, and we're very excited about that.
The Soaring to New Heights campaign is an incredibly exciting milestone for St. John Paul II Academy. This initiative is already bringing amazing improvements to our campus. Phase 1, which was the installation of our brand new turf field, was completed in September. This high-quality surface features all-weather durability, cool play surface heat reduction technology, and enhanced safety and traction. Built to handle our full SJP2 multi-sport schedule of practices and games. It's hard to describe the feeling when we saw it for the first time. It truly wowed the crowd at our homecoming game and took our school pride to a whole new level.
As you enter the field area from the parking lot, the inviting covered patio attached to the concession stand will be the new game day community gathering space, offering a great view of the field. This building houses a modern concession serving area with pass-through windows, 2 storage areas, and restrooms. The new field house will anchor the west end of our campus and will be right next to our gym. As you approach the building from the main campus, the covered walkway, outdoor turf, and benches offer community spaces to come together. This building will also be home to our state-of-the-art weight room, multi-purpose coaching offices, training room, film room, and of course, boys and girls locker rooms.
I'm incredibly excited about the opportunity to bring this new athletic complex to life. It's a dream come true for our school and community.
We invite our entire Eagle community to join us in supporting the Soaring to New Heights campaign. We ask that you prayerfully consider making a gift to this historic project, because it's only through the generosity of our alumni, parents, family, and friends that we can continue to fulfill our Catholic school mission and complete this exciting transformation of our campus. Our campaign goal is $4 million, and we've raised over $3 million already thanks to our many generous supporters. But we still need your help to reach the finish line. There are numerous naming opportunities at all donation levels. Together, we can help make this dream a reality for our students and for generations of Eagles to come. Please visit our website to learn how you can make a gift or contact our development office to learn the many ways you can participate. Simply put, we need your help. Join us as we soar to new heights. Thank you, and God bless you.